about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
Welcome back to the Canadian Rockies. If you're new around here, we are Nicole and Mico. Usually you can catch us traveling internationally around the world, but right now we are exploring our own backyard of Canada.
If you've watched the last couple of videos, you'll notice that we've been traveling the more popular destinations of the Rocky Mountains, but this time we've decided to do something a little bit different, go off the beaten path and try out a winter cabin getaway.
Yeah, we're in a region called Nordegg, which is honestly one of our favorite regions here in the Rocky Mountains. It's not super common, and that's one of the reasons that we absolutely love it. As you already saw, the drive up here is absolutely stunning.
And we even had a chance to look at a frozen waterfall nearby, which was super cool.
Yeah, really, really beautiful. There's so much to do here, but before we go and explore more of the area, let's get you inside our incredible cabin. Welcome to Nature's Getaway Nordegg. This is the Cozy Bear Cabin, and it is so aptly named. It is so incredibly cozy in here. The living room looks like a place you could just rest all weekend. But let's quickly start in the kitchen, because I think that's my favorite spot in the house. The kitchen just has everything. A full-size fridge, coffee maker, stove, oven, microwave, dishwasher. And when we got here, there are like cookies and suckers on the counter. And even in the fridge, there's some fresh local coffee grinds for us in the morning, which we are very much looking forward to. There's obviously a table, a dining room table where everyone can sit and eat together. And then I think probably what gives this place its name is the super cozy living room. It's just beautiful. It looks so comfortable. I think probably the best part about it is the wood burning stove, which we will absolutely be trying out tonight. But let's check it outside. Wow, it is so gorgeous out here. So the outdoors actually might be the best part of this gorgeous cabin. You've obviously got lots of seating because there can be a lot of guests here. We're just 2 people, but you can fit many more than 2 in this cabin. Oh my God. I think I found out what we're doing tonight. Before or after the fire, I don't know. There is an entire full bathroom down on this main level, but let's go upstairs. There's actually another one there. Bathroom on the top floor where also all the bedrooms are. And then there are not 1, not 2, but 3 bedrooms here. So you can come with many more people than Mico and I have. And look, how adorable is this? Left us chocolates. This Airbnb is filled with like just these really beautiful touches that just make you feel like home. I mean, it feels cozy. I guess it's in the name, so. And I think I can see the cookhouse from here, which is like a communal cooking area for the couple of cabins that are on this property. So we're gonna go check that out when we cook dinner.
Okay, it's time for dinner. And in keeping with the theme of a very Canadian winter getaway, we decided to make a very Canadian meal. Well, as Canadian as it can be here in Alberta, which would be steak and potatoes. So, Nicole is getting the vegetables and the potatoes ready.
I'm on potato and carrot duty.
And I'm gonna go and see if I can get the steaks fired up. So while we wait for it to really heat up in here, let me show you a little tour of the cookhouse. So you got a huge cook stove right in the center here, a long dining table. You got even a little fridge in here. And then on this side of the room, just a lot of counter space for basically dinner prep or games or anything like that. The cabin itself has all the kitchen facilities that you could need, but why cook inside a regular kitchen when you can be in the cookhouse like this?
I have steak delivery. They actually smell amazing. They've been marinating since last night. I think they're gonna be amazing. No pressure, but I hope you cook them well. This will be our first time cooking steak on an open fire, uncontrolled heat source.
Usually we're cooking it on like a barbecue, but in this case, we're doing it cabin style.
Cabin style. There is a barbecue at our cabin. We just really wanted to use the cookhouse because this place is awesome.
There's no fun in the barbecue.
This is way cool.
So one of the things that makes Alberta, the province that we live in Canada, so special is that the beef here is incredible. There's just something special about the steak here. It's just on a different level altogether. So if you ever come to Alberta in Canada, you definitely have to get yourself some Alberta beef.
Goodness, that's a big piece of meat. Oh, not too bad. Still a little pink in there. Pretty good. Oh, that's some good steak. Beef does not get better than this. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Wow, the stars. There are a few things in this world better than getting into a hot tub during Canadian winter. It is amazing.
It's super cool though. You just look up and you can see the stars.
The sky is so clear here.
And it smells amazing here.
Yeah, like hot tub.
Like hot tub. Mixed with forest.
That's true, mixed with pine. All right, so you just leave me right here. I'm just gonna cook in here for a while and then we'll go inside and start a fire. This is a really well-made fire. This was already pre-made. We did not do this. How nice is that?
Oh.
I think the hot tub made us tired.
We're exhausted.
Yeah, we are ready for bed. We are gonna enjoy, I think, having a little bit of time next to this nice warm fire and eat our puto.
Puto. We got some Filipino desserts from a family friend, so good way to cap off the night.
Yeah, we're gonna end the night here and we will catch you in the morning. Cheers.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep.
Good morning.
All that's left
That is
is
a
you
fine
and
coffee,
me.
love.
I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
So for breakfast this morning, Nicole made us something really special. Some good old Canadian pancakes.
Yeah.
It's looking good.
I put them in the oven to stay warm and they're a little crunchy. So I don't think that this is like a normal thing to do here in Canada, but my family has always put cottage cheese on pancakes. I think it's actually a Ukrainian thing. That's what I've been told my whole life. And of course, this is probably why pancakes are considered a Canadian meal. Because we cover them in maple syrup. It's a pancake without whipped cream. Delicious.
Oh man, those are good. And crunchy.
They sound like crackers.
In the middle soft.
My bad. Sadly, it is time for us to leave this beautiful cabin. We're so sad. We'll put the link to the cabin in the description down below. If you do want to come out and check it out, we highly suggest you spend at least 2 nights. There's honestly so much to do here and so much to see in the area, and it's just like so cozy and quiet and peaceful here. But there is still one thing in the Nordegg area that we want to do before we let you go.
For a bunch of reasons, but the main one in winter is that there's methane bubbles that come up through the ice, and you can see them when the ice is really clear, and it is right now.
These methane bubbles are apparently caused by the decaying plants at the bottom of the lake. So when it freezes over, the bubbles come up and it almost becomes suspended in the ice. Bye skates, bye!
We also brought our skates in hopes of skating, but I think we might die.
It might be a little bit too windy. It's also worth mentioning that if you're gonna walk out here on the ice, we highly recommend you have some spikes on your feet. These have been lifesavers for us walking here.
There are a ton here.
Okay, wind is picking up.
It's getting very cold.
We're gonna start heading out of here.
Yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here. We hope you've enjoyed coming away with us for our last weekend in Canada. This was an amazing last getaway here.
Nordegg is such a hidden gem in the Canadian Rockies. You have to check it out if you get the chance.
Yeah, Abraham Lake, Crescent Falls, cabin in the woods make for the perfect Canadian getaway. So, we hope you've enjoyed today's vlog, and
we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. And I think maybe one of my my pants are on inside out. That is a fine coffee, nice.
Fine.
It's a fine coffee. Nice?